taste beautiful.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in case you're new here, hi, my name is Gauri and I post beauty and sometimes fashion related content on my channel, and if that's something that interests you, then please continue watching. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all 5 beauty products for winter season. And I know if you are from dry skin type, no, you can relate with me because I am a very dry skin type, and I know it's so difficult to find like अच्छे good products जो आपको dry out ना करे winters में. And yeah, I just cut down to these 5 products. If you guys like this video, do give this video a big thumbs up and comment करके बताना अगर इसका part 2 भी चाहिए तो I'll make sure to share that with you as well. And you can also follow me on my Instagram. And now let's just get started. So the very first product I have with me for you all, that is a hair care product actually. I know in winters we just keep on extending the day to wash our hair. I know. And then suddenly we have to go somewhere and they look like very greasy and oily and all that. So I have a solution for you all, and this is a dry shampoo. Yes, you heard that right. It's a dry shampoo and it's from Batiste, I guess, yeah. And this is the classic original version. By the way, this is the mini one, and I think this retails for rupees, I'll share it somewhere, 250 or 300 I guess. And this stuff changed my life, you guys. मेरी फ्रेंड ने recommend किया था actually. She was like, she also stayed in Dehradun, bro. So she was like, how do you manage to wash your hair? And I have to shoot like every single day or alternate day. तो उसमें डेली हेयर वॉश करना, एंड आई हैव टू स्टाइल माई हेयर एज वेल एंड एवरीथिंग. सो शी रिकमेंडेड मी कि ड्राई शैम्पू ट्राई करना, एंड आई वाज लाइक क्या ही करता होगा ड्राई शैम्पू, आई मीन क्या ही करेगा. बट देन आई गॉट द मिनी वर्जन एंड इट्स लाइक अबाउट टू ओवर नाउ, एंड आई एम टोटली इन लव विद इट. बाय द वे अभी भी मैंने ये लगाया. इट्स बीन लाइक 5 days सिंस आई हैव वॉश्ड माई हेयर. Guilty, but this is a savior. I was like, I have to shoot a YouTube video, so I was like, I'll show you all. What you have to do is just part your hair like this, and you have to do it and just do like this, and जो भी oiliness या greasiness होगी hair में वो ये सब absorb कर लेगा और बहुत अच्छा वॉल्यूम देगा बालों में. You guys can see the shine. It's like 4 to 5 day मैंने पहले वॉश किया था उसके हेयर हैं. सो it is a gem product. I highly recommend you guys to check this out of any brand, okay, not this particular one. You can try any brand, but I highly recommend you guys to try it out. Okay, so the second product I have with me is like specially for dry to very dry skin types like me. I know it's like quite difficult to find a good moisturizer for winters. I totally get you. So I have this with me. It's the Aveeno Moisturizer Daily Moisturizing Lotion, and this is how it looks like. This was recommended to me by my dermat, and this product is a gem, you guys. It will gonna change your whole winter game. If you are like dry to very dry skin type now, you must try this out, trust me. And it's quite affordable, I think 150 or something. And this is how it looks like. I'm gonna show you all. This is how it looks like, and it is very hydrating. And you know, some people prefer ke they don't want greasiness on their face and they want ki moisturizer lagaya and it's gone. I'm totally opposite of that. I want कि मैं जब I'm applying some moisturizer on my face तो मुझे चाहिए कि मुझे कुछ feel हो उसके ऊपर. Like I know I'm like this only, but I like it and it is so good, you guys. You guys can see, मैंने भी हाथ पे लगाया नहीं था इससे पहले, but you guys can see जेम प्रोडक्ट. अभी इसकी मैंने 2 ट्यूब खाली हो चुकी है, and I have already ordered 2, and I absolutely love this. And yeah, I highly recommend you guys to check this out. By the way, इसमें कोई भी fragrance वगैरह नहीं है. It is dermatologically tested, and yeah, ये oatmeal based है, तो if you have sensitive skin type as well, it will gonna suit you so nicely. So हाईली रिकमेंड यू गाइस टू चेक दिस आउट. मैं सारे प्रोडक्ट्स का लिंक आपको नीचे दे दूंगी, प्लस स्क्रीन पे ट्राई करूंगी कि इनके प्राइस टैग वगैरह सब मेंशन कर दूं. सो इट विल गोना बी कन्वीनियंट फॉर यू गाइस एज वेल. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. ओ माय गॉड, दिस प्रोडक्ट विच आई एम गोना शो यू ऑन नाउ, दिस इज द थर्ड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ फॉर दिस वीडियो. This changed my whole makeup game, you guys. Trust me on this. I have tried so many facial oils and oil based primers for my makeup, but this changed my game, and this is such an underrated product and brand in particular, and I just wanted to bring this up and just tell you guys to buy this. This is the Cal Los Angeles Insta Beam Illuminating Primer Oil. This is how it looks like. This is how it looks like, and you guys can see I've used it like till here. It is so good. I cannot stop using this since the day I got it. First of all, the packaging is so luxurious. I'm not gonna lie, it's so good. Then I'm gonna show you guys the texture. It's oily. Oops. It's oil, like obviously it's a oil based primer or illuminate, and इसमें कोई glitter chunks है ही नहीं whatsoever, and you guys can see it is so glowy. I don't know, it's like oil होता है ना, it feels like very thin and oily. It's oily but it feels very smooth, okay? Like face पे जब लगाओगे ना, it feels like आपने कोई silicon based primer लगाया है but in a liquid form, and it is so good. You guys have to check this out, and I'm not selling this to you, but you have to check this out. I mean, if you are watching this video na, go buy this and it will gonna change your whole makeup game, and trust me on that, especially for winter. And if you have dry skin types na, you should have this in your vanity, and I cannot stress enough to buy this out, and please buy this. I really like it. And if you guys wanna buy this, I also have a coupon code with them. I'm not gonna earn anything out of it, by the way. You can use my coupon code GORY15 to get 15% off. I'm gonna link everything down in the description box, so don't worry, you can check it out from there. So the fourth product is lip balm. If you guys know me, I'm a lip balm addicted. I cannot survive without a good lip balm, and earlier I used to use the Vaseline one, and it's my absolute favorite. Like अभी भी मुझे कोई और नहीं मिलेगा ना, तो मैं अभी भी उठाकर वही लगा लूँगी. But since the day I got this, I'm in love with it. This is the Plum का Candy Crush lip balm, I guess. Yeah, Candy Melts lip balm. Why isn't it focusing? Okay, this is how it looks like, and yes, ये ख़त्म होने वाला है, and it comes in like 4 to 5 different variants. I'm not sure. I have the chocolate one as well. By the way, I got this in my PR. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't buy it, but I got it in my PR. All the 4 इसके fragrances or variants, इसमें red velvet आता है, chocolate आता है, and there is one watermelon as well. I don't know, I'll link in the description box. So these are so amazing. This is like a thick lip balm, but it doesn't feel thick on your lips, you know what I mean. And this is how it looks like. And secondly, iska fragrance is so amazing. I mean, the name suggests no, candy melts, so it's basically like आपने कोई candy melt करके इसमें डाल दिया. It's so good. And if you're a chocolate lover like me, you can buy the chocolate version. इसमें red velvet भी है. It smells like cake, that red velvet cake. So you can choose according to your liking and taste, and these are like quite affordable as well, so you can definitely check this out. Again, I'm gonna link it down in the description box, so highly recommend you guys to check this out. Alrighty, so the last product I have with me is for all the lipstick lovers like me. I have these new launches from Faces Canada. These are their comfy matte lip color with natural oils. This is the outer packaging, and I have 3 shades with me, and oh my god, the formula is stunning on these. I'm gonna show you all a shade. Let me open it. So this is how the packaging looks like. By the way, this is in the shade 07, and let me show you guys the wand. I don't know क्या हो रहा है आज, focus नहीं हो रहा है. This is how the wand looks like, and this is the swatch. It is like buttery soft, like liquid lipstick but buttery soft, and it looks so pretty on the lips, and it's quite comfortable and long lasting and whatnot. And winters में ना इतना दूर भागते हैं ना हम लोग कि we don't want to apply liquid lipstick, but if you like liquid lipsticks like me, I want my liquid lipstick to stay for like at least 6 hours तो लगे रहे. I don't like to touch up again and again. It makes my lips look like crumpy and everything, even the bullet lipsticks, so I don't like it. I like lipstick like these are like very comfortable, breathable and non-drying on the lips. I'm gonna show you guys its application. Let me just remove this. Second,
taste beautiful.
taste, smells. It smells beautiful. And the application is like butter. Like seriously, it feels like I'm applying butter on my lips. It's so smooth. Also, इसका wand is like pretty good. I if you guys don't know, I outline a little, and it's like very easy to outline my lips with this as well. Wow. You can see the payoff as well. The payoff is amazing. Oh my god. This shade is love. Winters में ना ऐसे shades हो और ऐसा formula हो तो क्या ही बात है. And this is how the shade looks like, 07. And these are really comfortable. I mean, wow. I mean, it's very lightweight. And I really like the opaque finish. It looks so good. I mean, it looks like a good luxurious lipstick का finish होता है ना जैसे. Wow, it looks so pretty. I highly recommend you guys to check this out. I guess this retails for rupees 399 only. Oh my god, what else do you expect, huh? Let me just read out a little. These are cruelty free, made in India. Oh my god, hydrating comfort, transfer proof, long lasting, zero parabens and alcohol. Oh my god, what else do we want from a lipstick, you guys? I'm gonna wait for few seconds to just set it down and उसके बाद we'll do a transfer test. So confirm हो जाएगा कि these are transfer proof or not. Till then I'm gonna share 2 more shades with you all. मेरे बाल नहीं रुक रहे. I'm gonna share 2 more shades with you all I have with me. So this shade is called 05 and okay, this is a good bright pink color. Alright. This is the shade. Oh my gosh. Gorgeous shade. It looks very pretty. I really like the wand, guys. Like opaque finish तो है, comfortable तो है, but वॉन्ड के लिए ना 100 out of 100 बिकॉज फ्यू लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स आ देयर ना जिसके वॉन्ड इतने बेकार होते हैं ना कि आउटलाइन के आप लिपस्टिक भी फिल नहीं कर सकते हो, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. इट्स रियली नाइस. देन द थर्ड शेड आई हैव विद मी इज oh my gosh, 04. It's a gorgeous pinkish red, I would say. Red but pink undertone red. Wow. Cannot wait to wear this shade. Really pretty. I really like this one. So now I feel the lipstick is, oh, is it? It's matte, like guys, it's matte now. It is transfer proof. Oh my god. It didn't cracked up. I'm so sorry I'm making such weird face, but it didn't cracked up and it looks so nice and it is so hydrating. We have that feeling, right? When we apply liquid lipstick, it dries down and we feel it that it has dried down to transfer proof. But अभी आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, I was just like ding कि has it like dried down or not? पता ही नहीं चला यार. It is amazing. And for this price point, no, you cannot find a better lipstick. Totally impressed with this. So I highly recommend you guys to check these shades and lipsticks in general. You can find more shades on like for these lipsticks. I'm gonna link it down again. And yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video and found this little helpful. And yeah, I'll be back with more such videos. Do let me know if you guys want a second part of this video, because I do have some more products. I thought 10 दिखाऊंगी तो बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा वीडियो हो जाएगा, so I thought कि 5 दिखाती हूँ पहले. If my audience is interested in watching like these kind of videos, I'll shoot more of these and share with you all. If you guys like this video, please do give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel down below, and I'm trying to post like every single week, and I'm thinking to make a single day, like Saturday maybe, that I'll post every single Saturday. Hopefully I'll make it to it, but yeah, now I'm tired. I'll see you in my next one, and also please follow me on my Instagram as well. Please follow kar lena. And yeah guys, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye, take care, stay safe, stay blessed. Mwah, bye.